And welcome back. Will Worsham and Bruce Porter are with us now. Good to have you guys here today. All right,
Glad to be here.
First things first. When is the next workshop?
Tuesday.
Yep.
Next week.
Tuesday, 6 o'clock at the Resource Center. Really good time to grab your wife, come and get a little bit of an education for 1 hour, and then have some dinner.
I was going to ask, do you have to have someone with you?
You don't, but you know what? Bring your kids. I mean, not your 5, 6, 7, 8-year-old kids, but bring your 25, 26, 32-year-old kids, because here's the thing. I wish it didn't happen, but bad things happen to young people.
Sure they do.
Yeah.
And that's where things go wrong, is because people don't plan soon enough. And if you can make a simple plan, a cheap plan, young, just to make sure that your kids, grandkids are taken care of. So, you don't have to wait until your retirement age. That's the misconception people have all the time, is like, well, I need to wait till I'm retired, and then it's the right time to do estate planning.
Yeah.
It's not. It's any time. Particularly if you have kids, particularly if you have minor kids, you need to come see us.
You know, it's a simple, and yet you talk about something that can pay dividends in the future. It's a simple and easy holiday gift.
It really is.
I mean, it really could be considered that.
It could.
Well, I mean, no one wants to think about, my wife and I go to a holiday party and we don't come home.
No, you don't think about it, but it's a reality.
What's going to happen to our minor children? Or how's our family going to handle the distribution of our estate? I mean, people don't think about that, and we get it, and no one likes to sit down and think about this stuff all the time.
Right.
But we try to take a lot of information in 1 hour of our presentation, and we try to give you ideas. We try to spur some thoughts that will get you to thinking with your spouse and your family, and then develop your own plan. Everybody's plan is unique.
Yeah, I was going to ask, how do you focus something like that? Because I know some of the rules apply no matter what your age is. Doesn't make any difference.
Well, for my purposes in estate planning, it doesn't matter how old you are.
There you are.
We're going to make a plan that lasts for your lifetime. Now, Bruce has some things that are better depending on what stage of life you're in, because he's making financial plans.
Right.
But for me, you need to plan as soon as you can. And the one thing that we do that I'm really proud of, that we've brokered together, is we create lifetime plans. So when we write estate plans for people, they're good for life. So you won't pay me to change your plan, to update it 5, 6 years from now.
Sure.
It's a free change. So it's a plan that's designed to work for the rest of your life.
Strange, because in a way it's like a living document.
It really is. And I don't know anybody else that does it like that.
Well, that's the proper way to do it. I mean, fear people have in this process is cost.
Of
and
course.
We get it. I mean, because you're buying a document for a future problem that, it's hard to relate my money in my pocket to what I might need in the future. Well, the realization is you're going to need it at some point, your family will, in order to handle a very simple, distribution of assets.
You're trying to get people to look farther than the end of their nose, basically. You've really got to be able to project, and that's what these seminars can help people do. And I know we're going to come back and have a little more time in just a second. So if you have a legal question for Will, you can email him at wworsham@color10.com, and we'll tell you how to get a hold of Bruce also. And we'll be finishing up here, so don't go anywhere.